Ah, what a nice day.
Dad?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy.
Cool. Hey, how you doing? Too bad. What are you up to? Oh, you're just getting the bare essentials, are you? Well, especially with coronavirus. Oh wow, man. It's everything's hectic at the moment. So just get what you need, and then you know, head on back home, whatever. I'm out on the Salisbury Plain where we normally park up anyway. Cool. Speak to you later. Bye. Boy.
More moments later.
Dad?
Yeah.
It's no way.
You've got to be kidding me. Bare essentials. No way. What can I say? So with coronavirus affecting everybody around the world, wife has decided not to buy the bare essentials, but to purchase a Jeep Wrangler TJ instead. Kudos to her, should I say. So yeah, very, very happy, very, very stoked to have this join the channel and to have her come out on trips with us for the rest of the family, so we can enjoy overlanding together as an entirety of the family, and just give a whole new sort of concept to the channel where we add a new project and we can make this Jeep our very own and bring you guys along the journey with us. And if for those Jeep owners out there who want to see content like this, then you're in the right place. We'll take you from the start, what we're doing, and then take you all the way through and out on trips, and hopefully we'll meet some of you awesome people out there. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked to say the least. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing, smash that like button, and we will definitely see you guys in the next one.